grab more professional opportunities, I chose Simplilearn. I am Vamsi Krishna. I have completed my Bachelor's in Computer Science Engineering in Pune Along Institute of Technology from Chennai with 8.19 CGPA. And after completing my graduation, I have been a business analyst for the past 2 years. And I have completed my post-graduation in business analysis with Purdue University from Simplilearn, which boosted my confidence a lot. Upskilling has become crucial nowadays. As many graduates coming up every year, organizations require an advanced skills. So to grab more professional opportunities, I choose to upskill myself to stand out from all the applications to the organizations. In my research, I get to know Simplilearn is the most effective one to get into it. So I choose Simplilearn, which is designed to have all the skills that are required to a business analyst, and I decided to upskill through Simplilearn. The trainers from Simplilearn were very understanding and very industry level experienced guys, where they responded immediately after any question we raised during the class and made sure every learner is up to the mark on his learning stage. Particularly, I want to talk about the products. The products were very informative and comprehensive, where I explained the whole process of the products to the interviews, and this made interviews become more confident on my skills. From Simplilearn, a guy called Ruhan helped me to get all the interview calls one by one. The process was crystal clear and perfect, starting from the first round to all the rounds and getting to know what is happening and what is going to happen. Ruhan was so supportive at this stage. My hobbies include working out, playing cricket, meditating, and also listening number of motivational videos from Andrew Tate. And I also have a lot of time with my family, chit-chat with my friends. My mantra is nothing comes easy, so everyone needs that hard work to achieve the goals.